If you had to pick one time frame chart and one time of day to trade the Forex market, when would that be? Let me explain more about how I trade and why I look at the daily charts at 5 p.m. New York time. Let's get into that and more right now. Hey traders, Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 442. Now, questions I get asked all the time is, Andrew, so many different chart time frames out there, which one's the best and when should I look at my charts? So the easy answer for me is you should try and look at the daily charts each day. It's something I've done for the last 14, 15 years, and it's something that's very repeatable. It's easy to do. It doesn't take much time. It's profitable and it is consistently reliable because the daily charts contain so much information. It also means that you're not sitting there waiting all day and night watching charts. It also means that you're not leaving trades open for days upon days or weeks upon weeks. So it has a perfect blend for me. Now, if you cannot get to your charts at 5 p.m. New York time, it doesn't matter because the way that we trade, we use limit orders anyway. Now, we have coaching clients in 99 countries all around the world, all on different time zones, people with different jobs, different sort of times they can get to their charts, whether it be work, sort of family, sport, all these different restrictions, you know, that people, not everybody around the world can be there at exactly that time. But that is the time when the daily charts close and then the new day opens. At the beginning of each month, the new month opens at 5 p.m. New York time on the first of each new month, and the beginning of each week, the weekly charts open as well. So if you can be near your charts around that time, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 p.m. New York time, depending on what that time is for you, that's going to be the ideal time to go and look at your charts for the daily charts. Now, I can scan through the daily charts using all the Forex pairs, and now we also look at indices, cryptos, and commodities. And I can go through all the daily charts in around 10, 15 minutes. And I do that now on a regular daily basis. But also, you don't have to trade just the daily time frames at that time. You see, at that same time of day, I then go through and look at the 12-hour charts, the 8-hour charts, the 6-hour, and the 4-hour. So you can scan all those 4 time frame charts, plus the daily. At the beginning of each week, you can do the weekly as well, and that gives you so many opportunities. Now, realistically, you can do all of that completely easily in under 30 minutes a day. Absolutely simply to do in under 30 minutes a day. And that gives you so much in terms of timeframes to look at, but also means you can trade just once a day. Now, I'll give you some examples of trades that we've taken this week. On the daily charts, we've had a trade, all these have been published on our membership site, by the way, Ethereum. So we're getting into the cryptos. We had a loss on Ethereum, and I've got another trade open at 2.7 to 1 right now. We had a daily trade on the US yen. It's open at 2.6 to 1 right now. We had a Canadian yen that had a loss. So these losses are 0.5% by the way, small losses. We had a Singapore yen 2.3 to 1. We had 2 trades on the euro US dollar, one made 2.9, one made 2.8. So we're up big amounts this week just by trading those daily timeframes. We also yesterday had a soybeans daily chart trade buying soybeans. Go and have a look and see what Thursday the 20th of January's setup was like and see what happened. We had a great profitable result there. Just today I've taken 2 sell trades on the 8-hour charts, Aussie US and Aussie yen, all taken at the 5 p.m. New York time zone. So it means that we can look just once a day, but we can trade multiple time frame charts. It also means that our, especially when you get to the daily charts, our reward to risk is extremely good and our risk per trade is very low. So in summary, if you wanted to look at your charts just once a day, have a look anytime after 5 p.m. New York time when the daily chart changes. And if you wanted to look at one time frame, stick to the daily time frame charts. It's suitable for all people, all levels of experience. If you are slightly more experienced, you can go down to some of those shorter time frame charts and have a look as well, if that suits you. If you want to go the other way, then get into weekly charts and even monthly charts. But for me, the absolute perfection, the reward to risk is there, the amount of time you're in the market, all those type of things, the absolute perfect time frame continues to be and always has been the daily charts. I hope that helps. Any questions, send me an email, andrew@theforextradingcoach.com. If you have any friends, family interested in trading, feel free to share this podcast or this video with them. Subscribe if you're on YouTube, and I'll see you this time next week. Bye for now.